don't even come near. Don't even come near. I'll shoot you. I see your head. Don't even. I see. Don't even. I don't know. I have one shot of this. Oh God.
Hey, you're gonna hit the little guy. Go call her. Tell her that he's over there shooting the road. His mother. Harises' mother. Call him over there right now. Tell her to come inside here.
Oh God.
Taylor, come in here for a second. Come in here for a second. Close the door. They're throwing around those video games that I bought for him, those little ones, you know, in the thing. And then him and Hadi started shooting it. It was a mother new video online. Molly, put it away now. I told him nicely to put that shit away. Put it away now. Here, play with that outside.
Oh God.
See, let's stop. Harises, you should know better. This is expensive. Pick it up. Turn it off. Play nice. Do not touch the guns, because you don't know how to play them.
Yes, we do. Oh, let's just unload the bullets. See what I mean, Mommy? She is. She's just Mommy. Yeah. Let's just play with like this. Let's.
No, dude. Okay, guys, in the comments section, say if you want us to do another on empty Nerf war, or do a trick shot on the last few, since we only have a few, like he has only a few days, or and also in the
No, plus I have 20 more days, so 20 more videos.
Yeah. He's gonna be trying uploading every day. I won't be there each time. I'll only be there for like every 2 weeks or so.
So yeah, so if you're new,
Hey, guys.
just subscribe to the video
Hey guys.
and like the video if you liked it. Okay.
Like the video if you liked it. That makes no sense.
Yeah.
Listen, what is that right there?
What?
What is that right there?
Sure.
What is that right there?
Oh, that's one of those crackers.
Okay, pick that up.
That's one of those.
And then there's a wrapper right there.
Where?
Right there. See it right there? Pick that up.
Can we play with the guns that don't have any
Yeah,
bullets?
you can play them with the guns right here. You left it right there. Pick it up.
Oh really?
Put the gun down, Hadi said. Put the gun right there on the thing. Nobody's gonna touch it. Hey, see these? Pick up this, please.
What
This
is
is your
that?
room, your responsibility, okay? And then when you're done, I want you to put your headphones away. Those headphones are expensive too. Okay? So you don't get stuff messed up.
$29.
Let's go. Thank you.
You see, that's how you do it. We're gonna do an empty gun Nerf war. Don't even. Don't. That's pink. That's racist. No, please. No, that's new. That's really new. Did you even see it? Okay, so. Okay, guys. We're gonna do empty Nerf war in the next video. But that is what's gonna be like right now, since it's gonna be continued.
Plus, also also after that we're gonna do trick shots.
Yes. So, bye.
See you in the next vid. That's gonna be in like